Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada, where financial wisdom meets Canadian expertise. Subscribe now for smart money moves. We will also include links for some of the banking products we recommend in the description below. In this video, we're going to show you how to get direct deposit form on TD Canada online. To start, open the website td.com. On their website, you will see a section for Easy Web Online Banking. Click on the Login button under Easy Web Online Banking. Now, log in with your username or access card and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a section for banking. Click on your TD checking account. At the middle part of this page, you will see an option for Manage. Click on Manage. Under Manage, you will see an option for Direct Deposit Form. Click on Direct Deposit Form. A pop-up window will then appear wherein you'll see the preview of the direct deposit form. To get it, click on the download icon at the upper part of the page. That's how you get direct deposit form on TD Canada online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.